Today, we're going to create something completely new and talk about a channel that uploaded only 8 videos. But just look at the results. 549k views, 1.1 million views, and many more. Yes, you can clearly see that this channel is getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views with only 8 uploads. You can also check their earnings, around $1.5k, and yes, this channel got monetized within just 5 to 7 videos. That's right, only 8 videos uploaded and the channel is already monetized. And if you want to see more channels like this, you can check these as well. For example, this channel has 181k subscribers, it's monetized, and it's growing successfully. There are many more animal niche channels that are going viral and getting huge views every day. You can also create videos exactly like these very easily and completely for free. You don't need to buy any paid tools. You just need to follow this method, and by using it, you can create AI images, AI videos, and much more absolutely free. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video so you can watch more content like this. In this complete course, I'll explain everything step by step. Prompts are very important, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use prompts properly. Also, don't forget to like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. If you have any confusion related to prompts or formats, just leave a comment and I'll help you understand everything. So, let's get started. First of all, open your ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, copy the part 1 text which says, "Bro, I'll send you my channel link, okay? Check it because I want to make videos like this." Paste this text into ChatGPT. After that, go to a YouTube channel, copy 2 to 3 video links of the type of videos you want to create and paste them there. As soon as you paste them, it will look something like this. Next, you will see 3 red prompts and 1 green paragraph below them. Copy only that part. After copying, paste it into ChatGPT. It won't take much time. ChatGPT will analyze everything and then provide you with scene image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts together. We will make shorts videos because shorts usually go more viral and gain more subscribers. In this way, ChatGPT will generate all the image prompts and video prompts for you. It depends on you whether you want 10 prompts, 20 prompts, or even more. Now, for generating images, the first website I recommend is leonardo.ai. Open it and click on Image. Then, select the model Phoenix 1.0 and set the size to 9:16. This is very important. After that, copy the first image prompt and paste it there. It will take only a little time to generate the image. You can see I already generated some images before, and now I'm creating new ones. It depends on you how many images you want to generate. I keep copying the prompts step by step, like Scene 2 prompt, and pasting them one by one. My prompts are already tested, and the image results are amazing in SD quality. There's another method too. If you already created these types of videos but want to make new variations, just copy all the image and video prompts and paste them into ChatGPT. Then write something like, "Please remove the snake in this scene and add a crocodile." ChatGPT will instantly create new prompts with the crocodile added. You can also use pixelmen.com because it's another great free AI image generator. I created these images there after replacing the snake with a crocodile. You can add lasers or anything else you want. Now, my images are ready. The next step is creating videos. There are 2 free AI tools that we will use to turn these images into videos. Now, for creating AI videos, the first website is freevideogen.online. It's a very amazing website where you can create AI videos for free with great quality results. I'll also show you another free website after this. First, open Free Video Gen Online. Then click on Drop Image. After clicking, upload the image you want to animate. For example, I'll select this image. Once the image is uploaded, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. After that, select the duration, for example 5 seconds or however long you want the video to be. Then click on Generate Video. As soon as you click Generate Video, it will take a little time, but not too long. You can see that the process runs very fast and within a short time, your AI video will be ready. The result is really impressive. In this way, you can easily create videos on this website. Now I'll upload another image and paste another prompt copied from ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, I'll click on Generate Video, and again, within a short time, the second video will also be ready. This is how you can create amazing AI videos easily with this website. Now, the third website for creating AI videos is a very famous one. Just go to Google and search for flowlabs.ai. Open the website and click on Create with Flow. The best thing about this website is that it gives you daily credits. At the start, it provides around 150 free credits, and after that, you get 50 free credits daily. You can even use different emails to create more free videos. After clicking Create with Flow, go to New Project. Once you click on New Project, the interface will appear like this. Then, simply copy your prompts from ChatGPT, select the size and settings, and paste the prompts there. As soon as you paste the prompts, the AI video generation will start automatically. You can see that I copied another prompt and pasted it, and now the second video is also generating. In this way, you can create unlimited AI videos for free very easily. The best part is that the video results are really high quality and look amazing. If you want to create high quality AI voiceovers, you can use lovo.ai. It's a really great website for generating professional AI voices. I have already made a complete course about this website in my previous videos. You can visit my YouTube channel and watch those videos to learn step by step how to create AI voiceovers on it. I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut. It's one of the best video editing software options available because it's simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. Just import your AI videos and voiceover into CapCut, then start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here, I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover, and complete the final editing process. And that's it! Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching.